If these speakers are built for completely different jobs, why do they all look the same? Here's why. Genelec uses the same core acoustic design philosophy across multiple product families. Every Genelec speaker is active, meaning each driver has its own dedicated amplifier, so the amplifiers, drivers, crossover electronics, and enclosure are all designed and calibrated as a complete system. Active technology delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and low-frequency extension from a compact enclosure. Made of recycled die-cast aluminum, this is what we call our Minimum Diffraction Enclosure. Having smooth, rounded edges and gently curved front and sides help reduce unwanted edge diffraction and reflections, improving the flatness of the frequency response and maximizing internal volume for improved low-frequency efficiency. This shape around the tweeter is the Directivity Controlled Waveguide, designed to match directivity of the tweeter and woofer at the crossover. This helps control how sound spreads into the room while creating a wide controlled listening area with accurate sound both on and off axis. For articulate bass reproduction, Genelec's reflex port design is engineered to maximize airflow while minimizing air turbulence, compression, distortion, and port noise. And since 1978, Genelec has implemented tools to tailor the speaker's response to its environment, whether it's physical switches or software such as GLM and Smart IP Manager. So whether it's a professional studio monitor, a home audio speaker, an installation loudspeaker, or a network Smart IP model, they all share the same electroacoustic philosophy. The technology may change, the connections may change, and the workflow may change, but Genelec's acoustic design philosophy stays the same.